Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make this quick and easy chicken stir fry using chicken, a few vegetables, and a classic store-bought stir fry sauce. Because let's face it, we can't always make everything from scratch. To see how I make this, keep on watching. If this is your first time watching, please consider subscribing. That would be greatly appreciated. Now let's go prep our chicken and vegetable to make this quick and easy stir fry chicken. So the vegetables I'm using today are carrots, sweet peppers, broccoli, snow peas, onions, and garlic. But you could use whatever vegetables you have on hand. For this stir fry, I'm using chicken breast, which I'm cutting in small strips. You can also use boneless chicken thighs. Now that I have my chicken and my vegetables prepped and ready to go, it's time to start cooking. I'm seasoning my chicken with half a teaspoon of black pepper and a half a teaspoon of salt. In a non-stick frying pan on medium to high heat, add approximately 1 tablespoon of olive oil or any vegetable oil. Add your chicken and cook about 5 minutes on each side or until the juices run clear. Once that is done, remove and set aside. To the wok, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of oil, followed by the garlic. Saute until fragrant. Next, I'm adding all my vegetables, seasoned with half a teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of black pepper, followed by the cooked chicken and your favorite stir-fry sauce. I'm using the House of Tsang's stir-fry sauce today. And there you have it, guys. Easy chicken stir fry. You can serve this over white rice or in a wrap as a sandwich. You could also swap any one of these vegetables out and use your favorite vegetables of choice. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, guys. See you in the next video.